Hello, my name is John Rock and I'm a partner at DoxAdvisors. Welcome to another in our series of Docs Tips videos. Here's where you learn tips on how to be more productive with the new features in Worldox and sometimes just cool fun stuff. In today's Docs tip, we're going to show you how to add and remove buttons on the button bar in the Worldox file list window. Why would you use the button bar? Well, because it saves you time by giving you one-click access to commands you use regularly with your documents. Now, you could use the right-click options or you could use the menu bar, but I am going to show you the way to be much faster and more efficient. Let me show you how it works. Open the Worldox file list window, and on the top horizontal bar is what we call the button bar. By default, you will have these buttons shown or commands available to you. One of the questions I get often from Worldox users is that they use the right-click options, but the next day they are not there in the first top menu. They have dropped down to the More menu. If you choose a command, it goes to the top menu, but it only stays there for a short time, and this is by design. However, here's the tip of the day. Pin your regular commands to the button bar and always have them ready to use. Less real estate to travel with the mouse and fewer clicks with the mouse. Compare the right-click options against the button bar options and you will see that there are much more available to you with the button bar. So let's add a few buttons. We do this by right-clicking the button bar, click Append button, and we're going to add a couple of my favorite ones. The first button we're going to add is under Bookmarks and add this list. Right-click again, Append button. We're going to select under List, Open File Location. Right-click again, File, Move. Right-click again, File, Copy. Right-click, Append File. We'll add the Delete button. The last button will be Append, File, List, and New to make a new version. Once added to the bar, if you right-click, you can change the button icon. You can change the button text, or you can change the button font and color. Right-click, move it left or right, and you can also add a separator if you want to group your buttons together. So now, why did I add the buttons I did? Well, let's look at what these buttons do. Anytime you create a search, you click Add this list, you can create a bookmark to it, pin it to the button bar, name it, and save it. And now you have a bookmark that gets to these files very quickly. Move allows you to move legacy files into Worldox very easily. Copy allows me to select a file from the list and copy it to a new matter, useful for retainer agreements, lease agreements, fee agreements, etc. Open File Location takes me to all the files for the matter based on the files selected in the list. And so here are all the files for that matter. Delete allows me to delete the document selected, and Make New Version allows me to make the next numeric version of the file in the list. And that covers our doc tip on using the button bar. I hope you see the value of using this feature in Worldox to save you time and get you things done faster. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel. Click in the link in the description below for information on our Worldox Academy, where we take you from novice to expert at your own pace. Thank you.